Assembly and operation guidance of Hemway energy saving boiler M5. Assembly steps. Step 1. Use thread seal tape. Connect the pipe with Y-shape filter to the water inlet. Keep the Y-shape filter downward. Step 2. Connect the drain cover to the terminal of water outlet pipe. Step 3. Use thread seal tape. Install steam control switch to steam port. Turn off steam control switch. Step 4. Connect the steam pipe to steam port. Connect the vapor collecting pipe to vapor collecting port. Step 5. Connect another side of collecting vapor pipe and steam pipe to the steam iron. Step 6. Connect the water inlet pipe to the water inlet port or put it in the bucket. Connect the drainage pipe to drainage port or put it in the bucket. Step 7. Connect to power. When starting work, turn the rotary knob to on work. Open the steam valve of the machine. Tap position switch. Up is for large steam quantity, right is for medium and small steam quantity. Press the increase or decrease button to adjust the steam pressure. When the pressure increases to a set number, start to iron. After ironing, close the steam valve immediately. While taking a short break, turn the knob to the rest position. The device will enter the standby state. When finishing work, turn the knob to the off position. The equipment enters the state of blowdown. After 2 minutes, the equipment completes blowdown, automatically shuts down. Hemway energy saving ironing overall solution provider.